Check out this 2008 Chevrolet 2500 HD with the Duramax diesel. Look how clean. This thing is super nice. Yes, you're gonna have to look twice. This truck is loaded up. All kinds of aftermarket parts. Look at the wheels. Check out the fuel system. Alloy ion wheels. Truck runs and drives absolutely perfect. Has a lot of power. We got the towing package. Check this truck out. We've got a tonneau cover. Got the Z71 package.
Purchase your tracks.
We got step rims. Tires are like new, shining. Absolutely rust free. Custom grill. FabTech lift kit. Truck is all custom, folks. We got the Magnum step bars. We got the super clean black leather interior. Power seats, heated, trailer package, 4-wheel drive, cruise control. We got backup cam. It's even got a front cam. Touchscreen radio, ice cold AC, OnStar. Power sliding back glass. This thing is fully loaded. Got the center console. You're not gonna see a nicer truck than at Charlie's Used Cars. Check it out. You got the plates in the floor. Put you a fifth wheel or whatever you please. Here's your 6.6 liter Duramax diesel with the cold air intake. Got LED lights under the hood. This lift done right. Very clean, rust-free truck. This thing is super nice. Yes, you're gonna have to look twice. You're not gonna see a nicer truck than at Charlie's Used Cars.